In this video, I want to show you, previously we've written code, and it's similar if you're doing Eclipse or NetBeans. We've written code that you can run and get Hello World to show up in this little console window. In this video, I want to put together an application that will pop up a window and write Hello World in it, just to give you a better feeling of how the basic programs that we're using in the coursework. So getting graphics and all that stuff to show up. So what I'm going to do here is create a new project, and let's call this one Hello World Window. So we're going to actually get it to show up in a window. Let's see, do we got everything we need? Okay, so that's going to be our application. Get rid of this guy. We'll create a new Java class called Hello World Window, and we'll give it a main here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use kind of the format that all these other Amaral applications have. So a lot of times, if you look in the Java tutorial documentation, you'll find sections like creating a GUI with JFC Swing. So Swing was built on top of AWT, the Abstract Windows Toolkit. In this course, we're just using the raw Abstract Windows Toolkit. So just a warning, you'll see things that are going to look a little different from what you'll see in the Java documentation having to do with Swing. But you should be able to figure things out once we go over them. And if you have questions, if you see conflicts or you have questions about that stuff, again, you can always email me. But what we're going to need, because we're using the Abstract Windows Toolkit, we're going to need to import java.awt.star, and we're going to need to import java.awt.event, this package right here. Okay, so what this does is this allows us to use a bunch of classes that have already been defined and packaged up into inside packages with these names. Okay, and there's nothing special you need to add to NetBeans or Eclipse to be able to use those. Those will compile automatically as long as you spell them right. So then what we're going to do is we're going to have this. There's a class in this java.awt package called frame, and one of the cool things you can do with classes is you can extend them, or you can have them extend other classes. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have Hello World extend the frame class, and basically what that means is that whatever the frame class knows how to do, Hello World window now knows how to do it. Okay, so basically, it's called the relationship is called an inheritance relationship. So all the methods and information and stuff that frame is capable of, all the behaviors it's capable of, and all the information it's capable of storing, we can Hello World window can now do that. Okay. And so that's going to give us the power to pop up the window and all that razzmatazz. Okay. So what we're going to do inside the main window, or inside the main method here, instead of saying instead of putting the system.out println the writing stuff in here, what we're going to do is we're going to say create a new Hello World window. And we need to also put parentheses here. So what is this doing? Well, new is a special keyword, and it's used when we're creating a new object out of a class. So what happens is we create this class Hello World, or we create an object of the Hello World window class.